Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to check memory interface of your graphics card on your laptop or PC. Okay, actually it is coming with like 128 bit or 96 bit or 256 bit 192 bit like that. So how to check that? It is very simple. I'm using Dell Precision 7740 laptop with Quadro RTX 5000 graphics card and Windows 11 OS. So how to check that? It is very simple. Right click on your desktop, then select show more options, then select NVIDIA control panel. I'm also installed NVIDIA control panel because I'm using NVIDIA graphics card. Open that. Then you will receive this window, and left bottom side you can see option of system information. Click on that. Okay, and you will get this window. Here you can see that our memory interface is 256 bit and memory data rate 14 Gbps and memory bandwidth it is about 448.06 GB per second. So in this way you can easily identify memory information of your graphics card from here. So that's guys, very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.